So this is Christmas morning up at Genting. We're at a place called the Food Factory, and they've got a massive buffet breakfast here. And that's the Food Factory buffet. Gonna go make coffee and go eat.
Oh my goodness, Merry Christmas everybody.
Merry Christmas. We're here in Genting Highlands going to the theme park. Waiting in line.
Kevin's very excited, so
Oh yeah, fun rides in there.
let's see how many rides we can next couple.
As you can see, it's very cloudy here. It's actual cloud, we're in clouds, not fog. We're going on a scary kiddie ride. Here we are on a very, very wet merry-go-round.
I'm still getting my kicks.
Waiting to get on the Independence Day ride.
I think that's something else.
Technology you've seen today is based on what we've learned from the alien specimens kept at this facility.
Max! Max, come back, squad man! Max, stay there. Alright, recruits, you are Max. Let's move, let's move, let's move. You have no time to waste. You have a world save.
We're going to Saturn
Now it's done again.
on the Independence Day ride.
Look how excited Kevin is.
Oh, always fun. Come to Saturn at light speed, FTL. Check it out, guys, we're flying. Whoa!
Okay, prepare for jump to hyperspeed. Welcome to Saturn.
We're going in.
Congratulations, recruits. Today is your Independence Day.
Take the hovercraft and help me search the warehouses. Tell Caesar to get out.
This is Malcolm. We have a visual on you. Stay sharp and hurry. Those soldiers could be anywhere. Any sign of Caesar?
Apes, so mercy. Now you're here to finish us off.
Caesar, wait! These are friends. Caesar, they are not the enemy. That's the enemy! Get out of here!
I want it clean. Want it raised to the ground.
You guys okay? But get out of there and head for the Golden Gate. It's our only chance.
Go! Apes, together! Caesar hopes apes and humans will be friends one day. Now, best you go.
We couldn't have done it without you, team.
And that was our second dark ride.
I hope you're happy. We waited for over an hour.
Invasion of the Planet of the Apes. That was brilliant. And we're out. Alright, let's go back to Australia now. That's enough. We decided to have lunch at the Laughing Fish by Harry Ramsden. We're going into Ripley's, believe it or not. Look at this, a wooden car. Kitchen floor Ferrari. It's made of a kitchen flooring. Albert Smith, the one-arm wallpaper hanger. That's the road between the fatiguing and when you go in front. You can't see it. It says this is a boat.
And that's it for Ripley's, okay. I got lost when I got found. No, I don't think, oh no. I think I'm going around in a circle now. No, we got out. Oh no, yeah.
That's out there. This way's not out there. That's out. There's mirrors. That was fun. Another fun adventure up here in Genting.
This is called Adventureland and it's somewhere in this great big place.
Shopping centre complex, whatever it is, huge.